So I've got rheumatoid arthritis, well, otherwise known as Still's disease, which meant I got it as a child. So lots of my joints are very stiff now and limited mobility. But I still can drive short distances. Obviously, I'm a full-time power chair user, so need ramps everywhere, easy opening doors. I do use the bus service, I use the trains. Yeah, it's about everything centred around where I can reach, to be honest. Benefits of autonomous vehicles. I'm not totally sure, actually, because I do like the human contact. I think the main benefit was if we could have transport, as somebody else said, that could be summoned and would arrive. And I'm being told that eventually my access vehicle might be autonomous, which could be very interesting. So looking at the autonomous minibus today, the things that weren't very accessible was the space inside. It seemed to be quite narrow. It does need to be a lot more space for manoeuvring. For my wheelchair, I mean, others might manage it a bit better. The call button to tell you wanted to get off was totally in the wrong place. When I came off on the ramp, maybe it's because it had the chevrons on the side that went down the way, but I had no idea where the ramp was at that angle. The ramp was longer, that would help, because you then see it as you were getting off, which does make life a lot easier. It's very important with a bus or buses that the bus driver recognises you're there, and a good bus driver will signal to you that he's seen you when you hailed the bus, so that's your cue to get into the right position for him, and it gives you the confidence you know he's not going to do anything stupid as well. My ideal autonomous bus would be one that had lots of space inside. It would have seating that folded up, that sprung loaded to stay up, so it gave me the space. More than one button to say I wanted to get off the bus, and also a display in both directions to tell me where the bus was going. Autonomous transport would have a good impact on me if it was in the form of almost a dial-a-ride system, where it would come to my door and take me to places where a normal bus wouldn't take me. And that would make a huge difference to me.